What's happening, everybody? Welcome to Taco Truck Outdoors. As you may recall, in a previous episode, we were making a thing. Well, as it turns out, the battery for our drill was completely dead and doesn't work. So we had to postpone that little show. Well, now we're back. I was thinking I might use this to poke a hole and drill and drill and drill. Last time I had to do that, it took me about 3 or 4 hours, a couple of finger pricks, and several drops of blood. I'm not sure I want to go that route again. So, this is very soft aluminum. I'm going to give that Dremel tool a try and see if I can bore out those holes. I have to go through on each side, so I'll have to make 8 holes.